In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 money-making apps that will pay you for watching videos. Best of all, these 3 apps have already paid me, so I will show you my payments proof from doing different tasks, including watching videos, using different money-making apps, and of course, guys, I do have a bonus app you guys should consider in 2025. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Mariam A, and I share information on how to make money online, and that's what you can expect to learn more of on this channel. So if that is the information you're looking for, just know that you have come to the right place and you are watching the right video. So let's get right into today's video and have a look at these money-making apps. The first app is truly worldwide money-making app because it pays people from all parts of the world. You can sign up to this app, make money by watching different videos, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this and how it works. But let me also show you the app and what you can expect. Now, the name of this app is called Timebucks. Yes, as you can see here, they are changing the world one task at a time. It is a get paid to money making app where you'll be paid to do different tasks. So watching videos is just one of the many tasks that you can do in this platform. Now, some of these tasks that you get to do are posting on Facebook, viewing funny slideshows, playing games, installing apps, completing micro tasks, which are quite a lot in the platform, answering surveys, as well as, right now I'm logged into my Timebucks dashboard, and this is how it pretty much looks like. Now, on the left, you will see this tab here for available surveys. They are not only the service that you'll find on the platform, and there's quite a lot of information that you will see once you are logged into your platform on your dashboard. But to find a way of earning by watching videos, simply go to the end tab over here, select it. So as you scroll down, you will see quite a lot of surveys over here, different surveys over walls, and some of the biggest in the world. I mean, really, in the next tab, you will see content. Yes, don't get confused. This is not exactly where you'll find videos, but I just want to show you guys that under the content bar, you can make money by viewing slideshows. Now, clicking, engaging, and so on. But you want to come here where there are tasks, yes, because this is where you're going to find video watching tasks. Yes, so as you scroll down, you will see that there are different kinds of tasks. So some of them just require you to follow some websites and answer surveys, sign up to different platforms, and so on. But what we're looking for is a task, yes, that looks like this one. Now, where they say go to video and add relevant comments, when you click the view button here, you will get all the instructions that will let you know where to watch the video, which channel it is for, and how long you should watch the video. Now, not only that, it's not the only one that will pay you for watching videos. In different people's channel, you can scroll down. Now, here is another one that says subscribe to my channel over here, and this is how much they are paying you. Yes, you will find instructions by clicking again. Yes, go ahead and view instructions over here. As you scroll down, more video watching opportunities where you either engage, yes, or you subscribe to the channel, watch a video for a certain amount of minutes, and then you get rewarded for this platform. Yes, it is trusted worldwide, and they have already paid me a lot of times. Now, these are just some amounts of examples that have been paid by this platform. Another paying platform I want to introduce you guys to, I can tell you for free, it is a legit platform that is fast paying, and they will pay you for viewing videos as well as doing other tasks within the platform. Now, the next one we're going to look at is an app available worldwide. It is available both on Android and iOS, Apple phones. I mean, I do have a dedicated video for this next money-making app. I will also link it down below for you guys to go and check out. The next app is called Mode Earn, yes, or Current App. Yes, it's also for all iOS users and Android users. Now, this is your website. You'll see it here. The platform is actually designed for you to earn money by just playing music. So you can claim and earn up to $600 just by playing music. But if you want to earn up to $600, you will need to do more than just listening to music. You will also need to watch videos, and that's an opportunity that is available here. And of course, they do have other tasks like online surveys, doing referrals, and so on. It's a pretty awesome money making app that has paid me for watching videos in form of adverts, and of course as well as referring other people. Yes, listening to music on their platforms. But I feel like I need to let you know that these type of opportunities are actually possible, and that's because this platform has become very competitive and it is a worldwide platform. It is very possible, so you need to keep on checking, exercise patience and check. Guys, you will find this type of opportunities, and some of the payments from this platform I have cashed out. As you can see, I've cashed out this amount. In fact, I'm going to be sharing another website on my channel. Am I going to share it on this channel? Like, it's very exclusive because at some points they're asking us not to disclose the name of the company. Yes, but if you want to have access to the website, you have to join my Patreon membership. Send me an email and I'm going to send you everything, all the information I tell you. If you know, you know. So join my Patreon membership and then send me an email and I'm going to send it to you. You can make up to $2,000. Yes, on this website, just answering questions and doing surveys. Yes. I'm going to show you my payments on the platform. All you need to do is just join my Patreon membership and send me an email and I'm going to show it to you. I mean, sometimes these opportunities sound too good to be true, but I'm telling you, I'm a living testimony. In fact, they gave me this wristwatch and of course they also gave me a phone. I know I brought the phone to this phone. Yeah. Yes, it's an iPhone. iPhone 14. So yes, you see, it's a phone that was given to me. Yes. So yes, if I can do it, trust me, you can do it as well. And I will share with you exactly how to go about it. So guys, there are so many opportunities that are related. They are video related, and I have made money by clicking on links and watching short videos, answering questions, and I've also made money by filming myself in different settings in different times. Yes, there are certain companies that send you products. They want you to take a selfie and send it, just send the picture of the selfie and you get paid. Yes, the good thing about doing different tasks is that a lot of times they allow you to do one task over and over again, and it's something that you do. It's so easy. It doesn't take you more than 2 minutes to do, and guess what? You get paid for it. So yes, I mean, how cool is that? Waking up in the morning and seeing that, oh, you just received PayPal alert, you just received a payment for a job that you like, for a tiny job that you did that didn't even take you up to 2 minutes of your time. So guys, this is another gem where you can find video related rewards. And these are type of tasks that are available worldwide. And the good thing is that video tasks are not the only tasks that you will find here. It's a get paid to platform, and it is meant to assist or help train the AI. So you'll find a lot of projects, a lot of paid tasks within the app. The app is called Toloka app. Yes. So guys, I have a bonus app that I feel has the potential to pay you guys for watching videos. And before we go into that, let me show you. I was going to show you my payments proof here, but like I said, they want to keep it like really, really simple. They don't really want us to, like, I don't know why they're keeping it really, really hidden. I don't know why, but if you want to see, just join my Patreon membership and I can show it to you. Yes, I can show it to you, and that is it. So you can see that. I mean, I'm not begging you guys to apply. It's for people who need money. If you don't need money, it's okay, right? So, and I understand if you want it so badly, then you want to check out how true it really is. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you're not convinced yet, okay, go ahead and check out some more videos here on this channel. Guys, you will see that I talk about different ways of making money online, and trust me, if that's what you're looking for, you will find it here. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. Now onto the bonus making app that you can download to make money by watching videos. The platform you need to look out for is called Paidwork. Yes, Paidwork. It is available worldwide. You can download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. So you're going to be paid to do tasks like playing games. They also have a service as well, but they have a specific tab where they say watch videos. And I know that a lot of platforms where you can get paid to watch videos, they have a hideout, and this platform is something that you don't want to miss. They also pay people worldwide for watching videos, and a lot of videos that you'll be watching, they are adverts from game developers, from banks, from organizations and companies. It's that you probably have seen before. So guys, here is the opportunity for you to watch videos, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And as always, if you have been paid from any of these money making apps that I've shared with you, let me know. Let me have your information in the comments. Yes, so I also like to know if some of you are already making money from some of these opportunities that I'm sharing with you. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a great year. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye for now.